Well, it's a really nice day for rides. So I'm up here in Alachua to look at this 4-bed, 3-bath, 1,647 square foot home. It needs a lot of work. It's been on the market a long time. So this originally came on the market in November of 2023 at $299. It went to expired. They came back on the market about 45 days later, and it's been through a number of reductions. And it got bought by a wholesaler, and that wholesaler reached out to me, who's now trying to unload the paper. So I think there's an opportunity here, just got to be for the right person. We're going to take a look around inside. So the front exterior is our odd garage doors. You don't see them very often on residential dwellings. But this is looking like a full gut job. This old paneling, very 70s looking. A nice fireplace here. Old carpet. Smells a little musty in here. Kitchen, gonna be a complete gut. Maybe this was a dining room at one point. I'm not sure if this is being counted as a bedroom, so there's no closet in here. All right. A lot of work to be done. 2-car garage space. And yeah, that was 1999 hot water heater. Wow, this is a narrow stairwell. This reminds me of the Blues Brothers for some reason. So all the bedrooms are actually upstairs. There's 3 on this end and a master. Well, the master's over here, but here's a shared bathroom, which is, the light won't turn on, the fan works, but it's a lime green. Got a whole closet. And it's 94 degrees today. It's pretty toasty up here. I haven't determined if the AC works or not, but the fact that there's a window unit here is probably not a good sign. Here's the master bath. Check out that tub, that lime green. Wild stuff. This looks like a gas line, but I'm not sure. And then why there's a doorway up here, I don't know. I guess you can post up on the roof out here and watch the cars go by. So why on earth, you ask, do I think there's an opportunity here? Well, it depends on what your exit strategy is, but if you're just doing a straight flip, I'll try and do a screen share at the end here to show you the numbers are. But I think an ARV, if you went all out to fix it all the way up, would be around $350. And if you just wanted to have it as a rental, you could spend a lot less, bringing it up to a livable condition. And judging by the looks of this, probably doesn't work. And there's a bunch of hornet nests around here, so I'm not going to try and get behind it. Roof is looking pretty weathered to me. It is always hard to tell. But yeah, it's probably going to be a re-roof. This big old propane tank here. I don't know if there's any foundation experts around, but tell me if they have any concerns about all that excess concrete there. Here's the foundation on the other side. The other question is, why do we go from T111 to this vinyl siding? I don't know. City of Alachua with utilities, so that's good news. Do have a pretty good sized lot here. That's about it. Okay, so this is our subject property here at 229 in pending status. The comps that I'm looking at, you want to be careful not to cross over the major roads here. We have a closed here at 228. This is actually a refurbished, fully refurbished home. It's sold for $216 a square foot, and it's very nicely redone inside. The other comps in this area are spec homes that are brand new. They're selling for about $212 a square foot. We got $275 down here. This sold for $207 a square foot. It's in pending right now. And then another spec home, $212 a square foot. So you can see there's very thin on what comps are available.